Alright guys, welcome back to Nico Brothers. I'm Ivan.
I'm Mike.
And we're continuing the build on our stolen, wrecked GT350R. So last time you guys, we tested his bumper, it's not fitting. So me and Michael were talking, I guess we're gonna go original. So we ordered the bumper from the dealer. Hopefully it's gonna be here by the end of the week. And then the wheels, we're gonna paint them black. So that's the next thing to do, is paint the wheels black. And then we could, start prepping the hood for paint, because we're gonna blend on the hood. We're gonna repaint the fenders to blend those. So there's still a lot of work. Also, we ordered a new radiator condenser, so that's gonna come in soon. We can get to that. A lot of work, so let's get to it.
All right, guys, there we go, all prepped up, ready for paint, sanded down. Man, that was a lot of work. I bet it was a lot faster just to spray paint them gold than to do it the right way. We took it all apart, all these little bushing things, so the clear coat doesn't get stuck in the edges or anything like that. All right, let's get these things as close as possible to original. Alright guys, sorry about my voice, kind of lost it, but gotta keep going. So we got our new radiator right there, looking good. I'm gonna go ahead and pump out all the AC, just in case, and just still have something in there. I know it's all bent out of shape, so maybe it's empty, but we'll see. And then go ahead and get my brackets off and try to get my radiators off, AC condenser, go ahead and replace all that. So then we could drive to the paint booth, no problem, and get it painted. Let's keep going, step by step. Alright guys, so there it is, new radiator, new AC condenser, all plugged in, good to go. Turned it on, let it run for a while, hot air's blowing. AC is all filled up again, so that's good. Looking good, happy with the turnout. That was actually not too bad, since I've done it before, I guess. Not the first time around. Good to go.
guys, so just got finished painting. Looks really good. Fortunately, it's getting really late, so I'll catch you guys in the morning. Alright, so here we go. It's the next day, and look at these parts. They've turned out great. Unfortunately, we're still missing the bumper. We ordered it from the dealer, but I guess we just got a phone call, and it's on back order now. So we're gonna look for another option. Probably try to get a used bumper, or I don't even know, just look around. So we'll get that and get that painted. But we're gonna let this dry, and we're gonna work on the wheels. Get the wheels back together. We got them all painted. They've been sitting, so they should be good to go. So let's get the wheels together. All right, so here we had them. We got them all mounted up. We got the new sensors in. That was a little of a pain. Then we got the little, I guess what holds the lug nuts with the little C-clips in the back. That was a pain too, but we got everything together. Let's put them on the car. Let's see how it looks.
Alright guys, so we got the rims back on the car. Honestly, I like it. It matches the black mirrors right here. It's gonna go well. Just gonna go OEM with it, make it look original. They had a good thing going, why are we gonna change it? It's all good as well. So that turned out pretty nice. I'm happy with that. It's pretty good about it. There were some options of what we're gonna do, but why not? Stick to the original OEM style. It's gonna look good. Look good from the beginning, so we're gonna go with that. We got the fender painted, so the other fender, the hood, they look pretty good. We're worried about the color matching, but it looks good. I'm pretty happy with it. Not bad.
So we're gonna let it dry a little bit longer before we put it all together. We just want to see the color. And the color, I think it's looking good.
Yeah.
So,
pretty good. Pretty happy with that. We're still missing that front bumper. I mean, it's pretty crazy. We ordered that one GT500 bumper. It didn't fit. You know, that took a while to get in, so we're waiting for it. And then we ordered from the dealership, and it's on back order, so another 3-4 weeks. It's like, hit road bumps in life, but you know, just keep going. It's all good. We'll probably find another bumper, get that ordered. It's probably on its way now, so just the OEM style GT350R, we'll get that going. So wait for that to come in, get that painted. So once we get all the parts in, we're gonna go ahead and put it together, make it drivable since the rims are back on, and then we'll check the engine, you know, check the compression on it and everything. We might take it to the Ford dealership, let them look over it, service it, you know, see if they find anything wrong with it, make sure it's back to original OEM specs, you know, how we had it when we wanted to sell it, kind of thing, before it was stolen from us. But
well, let's do a cold start. It hasn't been started in a while.
Yeah.
I think it sounds a little better.
I think so too. Once it kind of warmed up, because let's try it out, see what it is. Let us know what you think. We've definitely been reading all your comments. You know, people are saying it's shot, or some people are like it's fine. It's just been definitely controversial, but let's see if the keys are there.
But now that we got coolant in it, we got oil in it, AC in it, should be good to go.
So that wasn't too bad. I mean, it's just hard to tell.
I mean, I think it sounds really good. I don't think it sounds as rattly as it was before.
Yeah.
But I mean, we just got to put at least a couple hundred miles on it, and we'll see. You know, I mean, the valves aren't rattling, I wouldn't say. Oil pressure is great, so I just get this thing, you know, back together on the road. You know, go for maybe a little road trip, and then we'll see 100% if it's good or not.
Yeah,
If there's any dry oil.
Definitely keep an eye on the oil level. You know, we'll definitely monitor it for sure. Check it out. We'll test it out, but it's still a beast. Definitely worth getting it back on the road, get it repaired, back to OEM specs. Go ahead and make sure like this video, share it. We appreciate all the feedback. We appreciate, honestly, with you guys, we got the car back, so that was fantastic. Thank you so much for the help on that. And just let your friends know about it. Turn the notification bell. Still got some more builds coming up, and just staying busy. Till next time.